Glidex RV is your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, detailed specs, and expert insights into the latest 2025 and 2026 product. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, a masterpiece of engineering and the first completely new design from Bugatti since its merger with Rimac in 2021. This hypercar is a direct successor to the legendary Chiron, but it's an entirely new vehicle from the ground up. With an astonishing price tag of $4.6 million, Bugatti ensures that customers receive an exclusive and groundbreaking machine. Under the hood, the Tourbillon features a custom-built, naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine, which is a major shift from the Chiron's turbocharged W16. But Bugatti doesn't stop there. It adds 3 electric motors to create a hybrid powertrain that delivers a mind-blowing total of 1775 horsepower. This makes the Tourbillon the most powerful Bugatti ever made. The hybrid system is supported by a 21.0 kilowatt-hour battery pack, providing around 30 miles of pure electric range. Performance-wise, the Tourbillon is nothing short of breathtaking. Bugatti claims this hypercar can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds, a figure we can't wait to see tested. Even more impressive, it can reach 250 miles per hour in about 25 seconds. This is a car built for extreme speed, with every component designed to maximize aerodynamics and efficiency. The bodywork has been completely redesigned, giving it a lower, leaner look with wider fenders and a more aggressive stance. While it retains the signature Bugatti bodylines, every panel is new, making it a fresh yet instantly recognizable machine. Moving inside, the Tourbillon takes luxury to another level, emphasizing craftsmanship over digital distractions. Unlike many modern hypercars that focus on touchscreen-heavy interfaces, Bugatti has opted for an analog driving experience that pays tribute to the brand's early years. The interior is sculptural and mechanically fascinating, featuring high-end materials such as leather, machined metal, and crystal. One of its most unique aspects is the fixed-hub steering wheel, which rotates around the gauges, ensuring that the instrument cluster remains visible at all times. The gauges themselves are handcrafted by a Swiss watchmaker, featuring raised numbers and physical needles for a classic yet futuristic look. There's no plastic inside this hypercar. Even the clear coverings over the gauge face and center console are made of machined sapphire glass. Despite being a cutting-edge vehicle, the Tourbillon does not include traditional driver assistance features such as blind spot monitoring. Bugatti's focus with this hypercar is pure driving pleasure, putting the control entirely in the hands of the driver. Every aspect of this car is designed to deliver an unparalleled experience, both in terms of performance and luxury. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon is a statement of extreme power, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. With a staggering price tag and a design unlike anything else on the market, this hypercar is destined to become a future legend. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews on the latest 2025 and 2026 product. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Glidex RV for more in-depth reviews, specs, and features on the world's most exciting innovations.